Managing your account online is simple with our account management tools. To access your account information, simply log in using the username and password you set up at registration. Once in the My Account section of Shop STERIS, you can see all of your existing equipment in one place and easily access their product pages. Select Order History to view your past orders. To review and download your past invoices, select the Invoice button. Create and save requisition lists. These can be easily shared with colleagues or used as a way to manage repeat orders. In the Address Book section, registered users can view shipping and billing addresses associated with their account. You can select a default shipping and billing address from the saved addresses. It's easier than ever to quickly find the right product at Shop STERIS.